First five. Team A. Gambo. Lambo. Next possession white. Next possession white. Next possession white. With more rep. White ball. Castres, inbounded by Obanyana. Castres, dribbling the ball. To Arnie, takes a three. And bounce it back. Rebounded by Dokitan. Assist. Assist to Cristobal. Makes the shot. Castres. Castres dribbling the ball. Castres. Dribbling the ball, crossing the line, in the middle, to Peko, Peko Pekes, Castres, to Peko again, Peko Pekes, to Castres again, Castres Pekes, Castres dribbling the ball, to Paulo, good by Paulo, 2 points by Paulo, Pizza Sul to Assis dribbling the ball, Assis to Dukitan, drives, take a shot, corner shot by Dukitan. White ball, called by the referee. Banyana to Arnie Bautista, number 83, to Castres takes a shot, in and out, rebounded by Paulo. Another shot by Paulo. 2 by 2 by Paulo. Running leisurely in the middle. Paulo. Pizza Soul to Assis. Assis in the middle. Assis to Pitts. Calling the play. To Fortaleza. Fortaleza takes a three. Nothing by Fortaleza. Rebounded by Obanyana. Castres. What a loose ball by what? Black ball. Assis dribbling the ball. Assis. Intercepted by Paulo drives and miss it. Assis numbers. Oh, what a turnover by Assis. Castres to Arnie, to Paulo, what a play! Bautista to Paulo, another 2 points by Paulo. 6 in a row by Paulo. Best player, Paulo. Manyaman Kenny. May pinikamo. Sabi ni Pascal. Fortaleza. Backing. Then dip the ball on the shoe. Good call by the referee. Bautista. What's the call, ref? One minute and 30 seconds left. Peko inbounding the ball to Bautista. There's a foul. 64. Fortaleza foul. First foul. Arnie Bautista in the corner. Handed by Fortaleza. Bautista. Pass to Peko. Peko takes a shot. Missed the shot. Rebounded by Assis running in the middle. Assis to Fortaleza takes a three. Rebounded by Assis. And 2 points by Assis. 6-4. 2-point game. 2-point game. Peko to Castres to Peko to Castres again. Castres fakes. Castres to Obanyana takes a shot. In and out by Obanyana. Rebounded by Bautista. Miss. Rebounded Paulo. Power play by Paulo lose the ball. To Peko takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded Bautista. Assist. Dribbling the ball to Pitch Azul. To assist. Assist takes a three. Nothing. Rebounded by Bautista. Corner the board. Bautista. No ball. Time. Hindi ko napansin. Nalalagyan mo. Kailangan na salamin ng commissioner. Okay, timer. Okay, we're good. Okay. Timer. Okay. Castres to Noel. To Parandang. Parandang takes a shot. Ooh, what a cut by Parandang. Easy 2 shots. Next possession. Yeah. Fortaleza fakes. To Isco. Troubling violation. Isco. Mayor. 8-4. It's only 4-point game. Black. It's only 4-point game. Castres. Dribbling the ball. Castres. Cut by Caratang. To bigger Castres. To Solano. Solano takes a shot. In and out, but in again. By Solano. Isco. Point guard, Isco. To assist. To Pitch Azul. Pitch fakes. Rebounded by Carandang. To Castres to Noel. Missed the shot. Good ball. Black ball. 10-4. 6-point game. Kuya Isco, dribbling the ball. Full house. Alimoro, number 26. Oh, pass to Paranda. Manuel to Solano. Solano to Castres to Solano. Solano fakes. To Noel fakes. To Castres drives. And in and out. Rebounded by who's ball rep? Black ball. It's a 6-point game. Assist dribbling the ball. Assist. Wow, what a play by Assist. Mixed by Cristobal. 10-6. It's a 4-point game. 10-6. 4-point game. Noel to Castres. To Carandang drives. Miss it. Rebounded by Kuya Isco. Rebound to Fortaleza. Oh, wala layup by Fortaleza. Miss the shot. Castres to Noel. To Castres again. Easy shot. Rebounded by Pitch Azul to Cristobal. What a shot by Cristobal. 10-8. It's a 2-point game. Momentum by Black. Manuel dribbling the ball on the other side of the court. Manuel to Parandang. Oh, turnover. 1.5 minutes. 90 seconds to go. First 5 minutes. First quarter. Last 5 minutes of first quarter. Pitch Azul. It's a 2-point game. Kuya Isco, turn around. Lays it up. And miss it. What's the ball, man? Sebo. Hold by the referee. 90 seconds. 60 seconds left. To Pitch Azul. Whoa, lose the ball by Pitch. Carandang. Missed the shot. Rebounded by Fortaleza. What a hustle by Fortaleza. To Kuya Isco to Cristobal. Wow! It's a tie balon game. 40 seconds left. It's a tayo balon-balon ng game. Momentum by Black. Noel. Hounded by Fortaleza. 30 seconds left. Assist. Wow! What a big rocket by Fortaleza! Fortaleza makes it up and makes it! Momentum by Black. It's a 2-point game. Seconds to go. 18 seconds to go. Manuel to Solano. Solano takes the shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Kuya Isko. Seconds to go. 9 seconds to go. Kuya Isko. To Fortaleza. Takes a shot. Miss it. Time. It's a 2-point game. Black ball. Next possession, White. 12-10. 2-point game. Kuya Isko. Next ball, White. Isko. Kuya Isko. Kuya Isko. Loose ball. It's black ball. Black ball. It's black ball. Dokitan. Dokitan takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Paulo. To Peko. Peko. Peko dribble. It's Arnie Bautista. Arnie Bautista. Arnie. Obanyana. Obanyana. Obanyana to Bautista. And makes it. 3 down, 3. That's a 3. 13-12. Dokitan. 1-point game. Change favor. Favor of White. Westo. Picks Azul. West. Kick ball. Black ball. Dokitan inbounding. Dokitan. To assist. Assist. Rebounded by assist. To Kuya Isko. Isko! Kuya Isko makes a 2 points. Change small score. Kuya Isko. Full house. Full the pool. All in. 14-13. Ubanyana. Oh, what a shot! What a shot by Arnie! From Kathmandu. Arnie Bautista, 3 points. From Kathmandu. Page Azul. 16-14. Page Azul. Page Azul. Oh, what a lose! To Fortaleza. What a lose again! To Isko! Kuya Isko! Kuya Isko! Lose again! Palo! 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 Dokitan galing. Oh, what a defense by Dokitan! Peko to Arnie. Takes the shot. Rebounded by Palo. Oh, what a defense by Dokitan. Nice D. Dokitan, number 74 foul. Ilan game foul? First team foul by Black. Palo, first free throw. 16-14. Miss the first shot. Miss the first shot. Last shot. Last shot. Makes the shot. Yeah, it's a lot. 17-14, 3-point game. Palo, free throw, 1 point. Dokitan, dribbling the ball. Point guard, Dokitan to Fortaleza. Dokitan to assist. Assist makes. And makes it. What a play by assist. It's a 1-point game. 17-16. Arnie Bautista. Again, in the middle. Obanyana, dribbling the ball. Hounded by Fortaleza. Fortaleza to Peko. Peko to Arnie. Arnie takes a shot. Ooh, what a turnaround by Sean Arnie Bautista. Turnaround shot. Page Azul in the middle. Page Azul to assist. Lays it up. In and out. Assist again. To Page Azul takes a shot. Miss it again. Rebounded by assist. Page. There's a foul. Palo, number 91 foul. play by Asis. Sumabit si Palo. Napikan si Palo. One foul. First foul, Palo. 43 seconds left. Nice shot by Asis. 19-17. Pasok. 19-17. 30 seconds left. Miss the shot. 19-17. Peko. 20 seconds left. Anibautism takes a shot. In and out. Rebounded by Castres. Ubanyana dribbles. Takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Palo. Miss it. Rebounded by Pitch. Seconds to go. 7 seconds to go. Takes the shot. Rebounded by Kuya Isko. What a double by Kuya Isko! What a shot by Kuya Isko! At the rim, pasarin. What a shot! All in. Pull the house. Kuya Isko breaking the house. Wow. All 19. Second of second. Second 5 minutes of the second quarter. Isa tayo balon-bali ng game. Momentum by Black. Castres to Noel. Noel takes the shot. Miss it. Rebounded by... What a play by Leonard! Wow! What a rebound by Leonard! What a rebound by Leonard! Pitch Azul. Dribbling the ball. Pitch Azul. To Kuya Isko. Isko takes the shot. Wow! Over. Castres. 21-19. 2-point game. Castres takes the shot. In and out. Rebounded by Dukitan. Dukitan to assist. Oh, nakuha niya. Oh, what a... Turnover by Black. Oh, what a miss by Cristobal. Cristobal missed the shot. Castres. Fernando to Solano. Solano takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Dukitan to assist. What a pass and make by assist. It's a tie game. Very exciting game. It's a tie game. 21-21. Oh! So Fernando Pace. There's a foul. Number 6. Wow. 3 minutes and 20 seconds left. At tayong balon-balon ng game. 21-0. Castres handled by Assist picked by Noel. Wow! Assist like the ball. Assist numbers. Assist. To Kuya Isko. Missed the shot. Assist to Sola. Oh, what a miss by Cristobal. Manuel. To Fernando. To Manuel. What a defense by Black. It's a tie game. 2 minutes and 40. 21-21. It's a tie game. Castres to Fernando. Uy! Castres to Solano. Black! Solano to Fernando Bex. Assist got the ball. Numbers by Black. Assist. Oh! There's no foul. Assist miscue. 2 minutes to go. Second. Castres. It's a tie game. 1 minute 50. Castres takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by... It's white ball. Seconds mo. Sakta pa rin. Fernando. Rebounded by Kuya Isko. To back Cristobal. To assist. Assist. Assist to Cristobal. Miss the shot. Wala. Rebound by Cristobal. Too short. Castres. Castres. To Fernando. Miss the shot. Rebounded by Solano. 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 Wala defense by Dukitan. It's a tie game. Pitch Azul. To Kuya Isko. Kuya Isko to Pitch Azul. Wow, layup. 23-21. 50 seconds left. 50 seconds left. 2-point game. Black team walk. Leading by 2. Black team leading by 2. Manuel. Manuel. Outlet by Kuya Isko. Manuel. Outlet defense by Kuya Isko. There's the foul. 26. Seconds to go. 30 seconds to go. White ball. White ball. White ball. Solano. Solano pace. Solano. Brother in violation. 18 seconds left. Seconds left. Seconds left. Seconds left. Dukitan. 10 seconds left. Seconds left. 6 seconds left. 6 seconds. There's a foul. Good foul. Time. Second half. 2-point game. First 5 minutes of the third quarter. Next possession block. Peko. Ubanyana. Ubanyana. Ubanyana takes a shot and makes it. Tie game. 22-23. Tie game. Pitch Azul. Oban. Dukitan. Dukitan. To assist. 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 Assist to Dukitan. Dukitan to Pitch Azul. Pitch Azul. Cut to assist. Assist takes a shot. And flopping. Assist flopping. Obanyana. 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 Pointing to Peko. Peko Pix. To Bautista. Missed the shot. Rebounded by Palo. Palo. Why? Rebounded by Pix. Wow, what a play by Karandang and Peko. Defensive play by Peko and Karandang. Bautista. Bautista. To Ubanyana. Ubanyana takes a shot and makes it again. 2-2 by Ubanyana. 25-23. It's a 2-point game. 25-23. 2-point game. Assist. 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 Drives. Blocked by Pao. Loose ball. It's black ball. 2-point game. It's a 2-point game. It's a 2-point game. Mahirap ang ka-assist. Mag-isip-isip ka-assist. Sabi niya, Sul. Fortaleza. 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 To Dukitan. Dukitan yung nito mo. Dukitan. Dukitan. Oh, lose the ball. 2-point game. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 2-point game. Arne Bautista. Karandang. What a play! What a cut by Pao. 27-23. Wow! What a intercept! What a game assist! 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 Assist to Cristobal. Cristobal to Fortaleza takes a 3. Visit. Rebounded by Palo. Palo to Bautista. Bautista takes a 3. In and out. Rebounded by Dukitan. It's a 4-point game. Assist. Assist to Fortaleza. Takes a 3. In and out. Fortaleza again. There's a foul. 2 minutes to go. Ilan team foul? First team foul by Black. 23-27. Asus. There's a foul. Shooting foul. 23-3. 1-7 wide foul. Second team foul. Ubanyana foul. First foul. Assist. First free throw. Makes it. 24-27. It's 3-point game. Assist first free throw. Second free throw. 2-2 by assist. 2-point game. Ubanyana, it's a close game. One possession game. Anybody's game. Ubanyana. To Peko. Peko. To Ubanyana again. Karandang cutting in the middle. Peko takes a shot. Makes it.
Peko.
29-25. 4-point game. 47 seconds left. 45 seconds left. Dokitan. Looking for a cutter. Dokitan. Oh, uli. May Bautista. Palo. Ubanyana, easy shot. 2 points again. Rolling away. 31-25. 6-point game. 5 seconds violation. It's white ball. 10 seconds left. Ubanyana again. To Peko. In and out. Palo. One rebound by Palo. That's it. Change player. Possession black. Next possession white. Dokitan. Man to man by white. Fortaleza fakes. Fortaleza. To Pitch Azul. To Fortaleza. Takes a three. In and out by Fortaleza. Castres. 2 points. Easy 2 points by Castres. It's a 10-point game. Oh, nahuli ni Castres. To Solano. Lays it up. Miss it. Rebounded by Kuya Isko. To Dokitan. Dokitan drives.
Yeah.
Oh, missed the shot. What a layup by Dokitan. Set puesto, sabi ng coach. Castres. Lesionate dribbling the ball. Slowing the time. Castres again. Three Castres is inside. To Noel to Solano takes a shot. It makes it. Easy shot by Solano.
Yeah.
It's ballooning to 12-point game. Second set, second 5 minutes of the third quarter. Dokitan to Bautista. It's Blanco, called by the referee. Outside line. Tip out. To Fortaleza. In and out again by Fortaleza. Solano. What a defense by... Wow, easy shot by Castres again. Easy by Whiting. Well, only 14-point game. Dokitan. Oh, Cristobal to Azul. 39-25, 14-point game. Cuesco. One rebound by Cuesco. There's a foul. Good ball. Foul shot. Shooting by Cuesco. 37 foul. What a rebound by Cuesco. Tamis game. Namiss kay Kuya Isko. 25-29. Oh, ini na. Rebound. May Lukitan. Pizza Sulos na po. Fortaleza. Nothing by Fortaleza. 25-39. It's 14-point game. Solano. Rebounded by Castres. To Castres. Castres. Miss it. Rebounded by Castres again. To Castres again. To Noel. Noel. To Castres. What a shot. What a play. 25-41. 16-point game. Wow. It ballooned to 16 points. Ano nangyari, Pix? What's happening? What's happening? What's up?
What's going on?
Dokitan. 1 minute go. Dokitan. Dokitan. Dokitan drives. Miss it. Noel. Noel. Dribbling the ball. Noel takes the shot and makes it. 43-25. 18-point game. 18-point game. Fortaleza. 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 Dribbling the ball. Ulos the ball. Fortaleza. To Kuya Isko. Kuya Isko. Kuya Isko. Dribbling the ball. Kuya Isko. Turn around. To Pitch Azul. Pitch Azul. Pitch Azul. Crossover. 20 seconds. 19 seconds. Fortaleza. Miss it again. Rebounded by Noel. 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 Fortaleza. Fortaleza. There's a foul. Yeah, fourth quarter na. Running on the fourth quarter. 25-43. Pare, 43 sila malo. Tama, 25-43. Last 10 minutes. Wake up, lock in. Assist. Wake up, lock in. Play the game. Play the game the right way. It's only 18-point game. Play the game the right way every time. 18-point game. Last 10 minutes. Fourth quarter. Let's go! Karagdag. Inbounding. Karagdag. To Peko. Peko. To Bautista. Bautista to Karagdag. To Palo. Missed the shot. Rebounded by Pitch Azul. Pitch Azul. Pitch Azul outed by Karandang. Pitch Azul. To assist. Wow! Walang play by Bautista. To Karandang. Assist. Gandarbo. Assist. Assist. To Cristobal. And empty shot by Cristobal again. Obanyana. Obanyana. Wow! What an intercept. Fortaleza. Fortaleza. Fortaleza makes a three. Nothing again by Fortaleza. Palo. Palo. Palo dribbling the ball. Palo. To Peko. Peko. Miss the shot. To Obanyana. To Bautista. Bautista take a three. Money. 3 points by Arne Bautista, Cresting of OLGC. It's a 21-point game. Peko. Peko to Obanyana. All alone. Obanyana takes a shot. Miss it. Assist. Assist to Bautista to assist. Ah! What a miss by assist. Are they playing? Obanyana. Obanyana to Bautista. Bautista double pump. Missed the shot. Fortaleza. Fortaleza, handled by Peko. Peko! Peko! Fortaleza drives. Nothing! Nothing. Technical! Technical! Technical number 64. Free throw. 7 minutes. Ano ba? Nagtitigil na yun. Sub. Subbing rep. Subbing. One shot. Technical shot and possession.
Out. Labas.
Okay. One more. Okay, score. Pare. 47-25. Arnie, pasok. It's a 22-point game. It just ballooned to 22 points. Earlier, just 2 points. Kuya Isko, man to man, kay Palo. Kuya Isko, binabantayan si Palo. Kuya Isko, oh, there's a traveling. What a difference by Kuya Isko. Wow! Wala pang defense Kuya Isko dyan. Ang galing mo, Kuya Isko. May pointsan mo, Kuya Isko. Sa inyo mo lang. Bigay na kay Kuya Isko. Isko Pex. Kuya Isko. There's a foul. Karanda.
Penalty.
65 foul. Ilan team foul pa rin? Foul 65. Karanda. Pare, ano ka? Dokitan. Try mo kayo? Okay. Dokitan. Alumirong, Pex. Kuya Isko, turn around. Kuya Isko, fighting for the ball. Karan lang. Traveling. Timeout. Wait. Timeout. 5 minutes and 47 seconds left. Black ball, ref. It's black ball. Hindi nakiscore ang black sa second half. Natutulog na yung score. Nagising siya, walang score. Nagising siya, walang score. Walang tama. Nagising bigla. Nagising yung score. Nagising na yung... Fortaleza takes a 3. Rebounded by assist. There's a foul. 3-3 foul. Free throw assist. Second team foul. First personal by 3-3 Casters. Nagising din ang scorer. Score 1 point.
One more.
Miss. 26-47, 21-point game. 21-point game. Habol ba yan? 10 3 points. Habol ba yan? Para may init ang laban. Solano. Million out. Rebounded by... Nalimutan pa ni Kuya Isko. Dokitan. Nagkaamuyan. Hindi nagkaamuyan. Noel inbounding. So Solano. Castres takes a shot. Rebounded by Dokitan. Dokitan to assist 1-on-1. Lays it up and in. Wow. 28-47, 90-point game. Habol pa yan, 10 peoples. Noel. Noel. To Solano. Oh no. No one is guarding Solano. Pasok. Solano. 2 points. Dokitan. To Fortaleza. Fortaleza to the ball. Pass it to Cáceres. Oh, Fortaleza again. Fortaleza living the ball. Lazy na. Power play by Fortaleza. Cáceres. Power play. To Cáceres takes a shot. Oh, no rebound. Solano takes a shot. In and out. Takes a Sugat the rebound. Assist power play. In and out. Assist. In and out. What a power play again. 2 power play, but nothing. Cáceres. Misses yet again. Oh, intercepted by Cáceres. 3 minutes to go. Manuel. Rebounded by Kuya. Assist again. Assist to Fortaleza. There you go. 3 points. Best 3 points. 31-49.
Siyam na lang.
It's 18-point game. Nakadali din ng 3 points. Parating na yan. Nakashoot na. Cáceres. Rebounded by Dokitan. Moving the ball. Dokitan. Wow, lose the ball. There's a foul. 74 black. Foul. Dokitan foul. Kamot ulo. 3 personal Dokitan. Mas Rizky. One 49. Oh, tapos na raw, sabi ng commissioner. It's done. 20-point game. 2 minutes to go. Sabi ng commissioner, sa mismo score.
Mercy rule. 51-31. 20 lang ang 20, Last 2 minutes.